What if you could solve complex production challenges faster? In aerospace, staying ahead means staying smart. And these days, digital transformation isn't just a buzzword. It's how we facilitate real-time decision-making and optimize complex production processes. That's where Insights Hub's Production Copilot comes in. It's like having a supercharged assistant right at your side, helping your team solve complex production challenges faster by seamlessly integrating asset and operational data. The dedicated real-time dashboard makes it easy for teams to spot issues quickly and take immediate action, boosting productivity and improving quality control. Let's say you're a process operator, and you get an alert. There's a quality issue in the coating process for turbine blades. Normally, a standard error message pops up, but it doesn't tell you enough to quickly pinpoint and resolve the issue. So we can simply ask the Copilot to summarize the status of the quality failure. Immediately, you get a full summary of what's going on, where the issue is, and what to do next. Copilot not only provides answers, it also contextualizes its recommendations. If maintenance is needed, the Copilot doesn't just say fix it. It walks you through the exact steps, right from the equipment manual. Even better, it creates a maintenance ticket with all the right details. No paperwork, no back and forth. Everything's integrated and streamlined. And it doesn't stop there. The Copilot looks at real-time data to see how this impacts your production schedule. It flags delays and helps you adjust timelines proactively to minimize downtime and maximize productivity. From tracking down issues to rescheduling work orders, Insights Hub Production Copilot takes care of the heavy lifting, so you can focus on getting orders out to priority customers on time and right the first time. Ready to get started? Contact us today to start transforming your operational efficiency.